I'm Neil Gaskell. I'm the head of engineering and operations at Motorpoint. Motorpoint are the largest independent used car retailer in the UK. We have 21 stores around the country. So our customers get to choose how they interact. They can either start on the web, they can start in store, or even over the phone. And at any point during their journey with us, they get to choose if they want to change that journey and move on to one of our other channels. So one of the big challenges we face is the number of audiences we need to cater for all in one go. We have our team on the ground in the stores, we've got our customers on the web, and we also have people in the contact center who have a very different experience. So to be able to cater for all of those guys, along with dealing with a lot of our older software from our historic builds, was a real challenge to understand what all those components were doing. So one of our other big challenges with the new system was around handling a lot of our traffic. So our marketing team, TV adverts will cause huge surges in certain areas of the business, in certain areas of our application stack. What we can't have is high levels of traffic in our website interacting and then causing problems for our team on the ground in the stores. So business resiliency is key. Alongside security, it is one of the biggest things that we worry about. We need to be able to trade at all times. We're a 7-day business and our website's 24/7. So we really need to have resiliency and security at the forefront of everything we do. Cloud is key to that. Cloud allows us to scale very, very quickly. And then when the load disappears, we're able to shrink down. With historic on-premise environments, we can't do that. We have to request more infrastructure, has to be provisioned. Dynatrace helped us speed up cloud migration by providing us a safety net. AWS is our cloud of choice, and we are moving our applications one at a time across, and our microservices architecture allows us to do that. So we've used Dynatrace for a long time, and we've used it across all of our ecosystem at various points. As part of such a major migration, Dynatrace is really, really important for us. As we move into new technology, we use new capabilities and techniques. We need to understand how they're performing and whether they're performing correctly. We turn to Dynatrace to really help our engineering teams. Our engineering team at Motorpoint is a relatively small one, and we have to look after those platforms as they're running as well as we're building them. So we use Dynatrace to really help us understand what's happening in the wild once the team have released. Once they've released, then they can build on those foundations. And without that visibility, we wouldn't be able to go as quickly as we do. Dynatrace really helps the technology team drive trust with our business because it tells us when things are wrong before they notice. And that ability for my teams to say, we know about that, we're on it, allows the business to really relax and know that we have a handle on it, and we only can do that with the Dynatrace platform. Dynatrace's AppSec capabilities are really important for us. We use a lot of open source technology and third-party components. Dynatrace is scanning those at all times and will let us know of any vulnerabilities within those third-party components that we aren't necessarily responsible for. Dynatrace really is the 24-hour colleague. Its biggest value is it doesn't want the day off. And at any point, if something looks wrong, it will tell us. So we don't have to sit watching everything.